Hey, are you looking for good quality budget drones from Aliexpress? I have fixed the drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. In at number 5, the drone is KF107 GPS RC drone. The KF10 drone with 4K camera is one of the affordable beginner-level quadcopters that you can buy for an exhilarating flight experience. However, a good aircraft is known for its features, specifications, and flight functions. Recently this drone price is $128.52. This drone has an HD wide-angle 90-degree adjustable camera with 50x zoom. You can capture unforgettable moments without distortion, and view the image on your phone through a wide-angle lens. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to APK system to take photos and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. Very suitable for flagship aerial photography. The RC quadcopter body is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics. The arm is foldable, small in size, easy to carry, lightweight and durable, and very easy to operate. 7.4-volt, 3000 mAh intelligent lithium battery, 25 minutes of ultra-long battery life. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one key. 1806 brushless motor, superpower, long life. Indoor flight is more stable with an optical flow camera. Shooting Douyin function. Camera pictures can be rotated and enlarged and shrunk. The camera can be switched up and down. This is a perfect drone that can fly easily and stably for beginners, children, beginners, or novices. In at number 4, the drone is MJX Bugs, B4W GPS Drone. Now, this drone price is $205.20. This drone compared with the previous MJX Bugs drone. B4W drone equipped with full HD 2K camera, 30 fps with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor. Built-in single-axis mechanical gimbal, which can reduce shake and keep shots stable effectively. Camera angle can be remotely controlled to pitch from 90 degree to 0 degree, wide-angle lens, retain the most original details. MJX 4W quadcopter equipped with adjustable 2K Full HD 5G Wi-Fi camera. Video record 500-meter FPV distance, real-time app control iOS and Android. Smart remote control alarm function, GPS smart return, one key return, point of interest, altitude hold. Ultrasonic sensor, optical flow positioning, waypoint track flight, follow me, LED screen remote control, 4 glorious LED lights, and 1 bright night light. This drone built-in 2 lithium polymer 7.6 volt, 3400 mAh high-capacity battery. 22 minutes plus 22 minutes of double flight time. A dual charger box that can charge 2 batteries together, reduce waiting time. 4 brushless motors and electronic speed controller make your B4W more agile and more adept at a high speed of 40 km per hour. Optical flow positioning helps B4W drone to auto-precise hovering with hands-free. Two-way 2.4 GHz radio control technology. It has a smart double alarm system. The transmitter will send out a reminder sound. Your flight is always safe. In at number 3, the drone is Xiaomi A3 camera drone. Already this drone price is $269.99. The new Xiaomi A3 drone comes equipped with GPS GLONASS and the 3rd generation flight control with the Cortex M7 chip, which offers a flight with greater control of your movements. A unique experience, thanks to its gimbal or stabilization and GPS-assisted flight for a precise position and FPV control at a distance of up to 1,000 meters. It includes a 4.3-inch LCD display controller and 5.8G connection. So you can follow your journey in person, both to enjoy the images in real time, and to see what you're recording. Thanks to the included display, there is no need to install any app or sync with any device. Turn it on and start flying. With easy operation from its very intuitive control. One of the great features of this drone is its incredible flight duration. With a battery of 2000 mAh, Xiaomi A3 is able to fly up to 25 minutes. Forget about flights of less than 10 minutes, that doesn't give you time to either take control or start enjoying them. You can easily charge it by plugging it into its USB port and start over. A3 comes equipped with a 3-axis mechanical stabilizer to give you a stable flight, without vibrations or tremors, which give your recordings the quality of big blockbusters. It is able to record in 1080 pixel quality with a wide angle that gives you a wider view without distorting the image. Its functions include tracking, turning, headless mode, and return home button. All of these features make the user experience easier to further improve the way you use it. Use tracking for tracking plans or return home mode, so you don't lose it when the battery is running low. And at second place, the drone is Potensic Dreamer P1, 4K drone. Now, this drone price is $284.19. This drone built in a powerful 1x3 cmo Sony sensor with auto exposure function. Potensic Dreamer allows you to take 3840 by 2160 pixel photos, and clearly restore the shooting scene with 4K images. The anti-shake ball is designed to reduce vibration and ensures clear and ultra-smooth footage. Record more details of your daily life and make the video more smooth and delicate. It has a 3000 mAh 4S smart battery and brushless motor. This Potensic Dreamer 4K drone is capable of a powerful motor and low consumption while ensuring a maximum battery life of up to 31 minutes, making shooting more enjoyable. With its exclusive Power AC dynamic system, Dreamer can instantly burst out triple power within 0.1 second to provide the best performance at a speed of 10 meters per second, and witty responses to various emergencies. Besides, equipped with the powerful brushless motor, enable this 4K drone work at a temperature of 0 degree to 40 degree. It can withstand different weather conditions within level 3 wind. Dreamer adopts an all-in-one design to minimize the complicated installation and calibration steps. Only 10 seconds to quickly and simply install the propellers. No more calibrate within the same 186.4 miles. A new intuitive and safe piloting app with an ergonomic remote control makes it easy for beginners to handle the flight. This drone equipped with multi-function like Follow Me, Circle Flight, Waypoint Flight, Precise Altitude Flight, Auto Return, One Key Takeoff and Landing, Headless Mode, Emergency Stop, FPV, App Control, and so on. Get ready for the simplest and most intuitive flying experience. And at number 1, the drone is JJRC X12 GPS Drone. Recently this drone price is $326.70. X12 brushless drone with 3-axis stabilized gimbal is a foldable RC quadcopter, which is easy for carrying. It is equipped with an optical flow module, GPS module positioning, ultrasonic positioning system, which makes it a super stable drone. You can shoot 4K HD photos or 1080 pixel videos. Take pictures while flying, get unusual works with different perspectives and compositions. Adjust the camera pitch angle 90 degree at any time. Through the remote control or app for better composition. Focus faster and more accurate, record the moment of excitement. The X12 is powered by an 11.4 volt, 2400 mAh LiPo battery, which fits in underneath the drone. It's a 3-cell modular battery that allows the drone to fly for around 20 to 25 minutes depending on weather conditions and the use of FPV features. One-button takeoff or landing and return, making flight no longer difficult, right and left hand switching, gravity sensing, low power return, lost connection. Various safe flight protection modes such as return flight to ensure flight safety. It has variety of control modes such as fixed height, fixed point, follow-up, point surrounding, trajectory, and other intelligent flight modes to meet the needs of different scenarios.